Good morning, everybody. It's the first week of 2020, and this is the first video, of Terra Bitcoin. As you know, Terra Bitcoin is a club of investors that believes in the crypto market, stable coins, security token, asset tokenization, and believes in assets. Terra Bitcoin think that the big loser the next 10 years will be fiat currencies and government bonds, and bonds in general, together with intermediaries like banks. The year started in a very interesting way. All the markets were on the top. Bond market performed very well, the same for the equity market, and the same for some commodities. In addition to that, it was a good year also for the crypto market, where Bitcoin went up from 3,500 up to 7,500. It was around double the price. In this year where everybody was making money, now you are entering in 2020, a year where you have a little bit more careful, but there are still great opportunities. So this year started in a very strange situation where there is a lot of liquidity thanks to United States of America. Fed create a lot of liquidity starting from September. You have a lot of liquidity coming from Europe and from China and Japan as well. So everybody is printing money somehow, some fiscal policy, some quantitative easing, etc., etc. And in this scenario, where that was very positive for everything, suddenly arrived the problem with Iran. Trump decided to kill a general, an important person in Iran, and this create a lot of problems in the next weeks. We expect oil price to go at a price that no one was expecting just few weeks ago. I mean, $100 is a level that you can see this year, but also will be a great year for precious metals. I'm talking particularly on gold. Gold can go up to 2,000 level this year, in our opinion, and you have to take an opportunity and have gold and silver in your portfolio. And will be good also for crypto, like Bitcoin. Someone is expecting a big crash in the equity market. I do not believe. I believe that what is going to happen is a sort of Venezuela for the entire economy. I mean, in Venezuela, every time there is a devaluation of the currency, the stock market protects investors. And this will happen the same in the world. So a lot of liquidity will continue to arrive into the market. We are going to have a devaluation of currencies against commodities and against real estate and against shares. So the first recommendation of the year from Terra Bitcoin is please sell all bonds in your portfolio or funds that have bonds in portfolio. Second is sell all fiat currencies. It's quite difficult because what can I buy? Okay, I told you, you have to buy precious metal, some commodities, you have to buy shares, equity market, you have to buy crypto, and you have to buy real estate, in general assets, good assets. Of course, you have to be careful when to buy. No, you don't buy when they are on the top. Maybe the year is long, so you have to buy in the right moment. That's why I recommend you to enter in the Terra Bitcoin Club. You will receive a lot of support to understand where to invest, how to invest, and how to make a great 2020. So, after this, I leave to the rest of the day to you, and I wish you a great week.